Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a REALME Narzo N53 and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings and then we have to scroll down to find the system. Now let's tap on languages and input and pick languages. And as you can see, this is the list of all currently added languages. We've got only English, so let's tap on add a language, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So basically all you have to do is to find the language and tap on it. So let me pick maybe Turkish. And as you can see, it will immediately appear on this list. However, the English is still a main one, so we have to reorder the languages. So set the new language at the top. So let me tap on it and hold it, and then drag it to the first position. And as you can see, from now on, the whole system, the whole menu will be in the chosen language. Let me show it to you again. Tap on it, hold it, and drag it to the first position. If you want to remove the languages from this list, just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Now we have to mark the language and tap on the trash bin icon. Of course, confirm it. And as you can see, we've got only English left. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.